This is my grandpa's generator. It's a Robin 18 horsepower Subru engine. I had this back during the ice storm to power or give us power, and it worked good. Still does. We use it during the winter time too to make it work. So I'm gonna see if I get it started up. Hasn't been running in a long time. I think the cables ain't connected all right. Alright, there you go. I had the cable connected right. Let's try it now. Take two. Almost. I'm gonna try it again. Usually don't do this, but it's been sitting for a while. So give it a little prime. Alright. See if it'll work now. It should. That's the dangest thing. Still don't want to start. Well, I'll keep trying.